Plant FAQs, Boehmeria cylindrica. Unveiling the false nettle, a gardener's guide to Boehmeria cylindrica. For the adventurous gardener seeking a unique and low-maintenance addition to their landscape, Boehmeria cylindrica, also known as false nettle or bog hemp, beckons. Unlike its stinging nettle cousin, Boehmeria cylindrica offers a delightful surprise. It's completely devoid of irritating hairs. This perennial herb boasts a range of benefits, from its attractive foliage to its potential as a natural fiber source. But before you rush out and snag a plant, let's delve deeper into its characteristics and explore how to cultivate this fascinating addition to your garden. What is Boehmeria cylindrica? Boehmeria cylindrica is a herbaceous perennial belonging to the Urticaceae family, which also includes stinging nettles. However, unlike its fiery relatives, Boehmeria cylindrica offers a reprieve for the touch-sensitive gardener. This deciduous plant typically reaches a height of 1 to 3 feet, with slender, upright stems adorned with ovate leaves. The leaves, of vibrant green, boast a slightly serrated margin and possess a delicate charm. Boehmeria cylindrica versus Laportia canadensis. When I compared Boehmeria cylindrica to Laportia canadensis in my garden, I found that Boehmeria cylindrica was much easier to manage with its more subtle growth habits and overall less aggressive spread. In contrast, Laportia canadensis was quite vigorous, and its stinging hairs made handling it a bit of a challenge, though it did have a unique and striking appearance in the landscape. How to care for Boehmeria cylindrica. Boehmeria cylindrica is a remarkably easy plant to cultivate, making it ideal for both seasoned gardeners and enthusiastic beginners. Here's what you need to know to ensure your false nettle thrives. Light. Boehmeria cylindrica prefers partial shade. While it can tolerate some sun exposure, especially in regions with cooler summers, afternoon shade is beneficial for optimal growth. Soil. Well-drained, fertile soil is key. Amending your planting area with compost can provide the necessary nutrients and drainage. Watering. Consistent moisture is preferred, especially during the establishment phase and hot summer spells. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Fertilizer. While not strictly necessary, a light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can encourage lush growth. Is Boehmeria cylindrica edible? This is a question that piques the interest of many gardeners. While some sources suggest the young shoots and leaves of Boehmeria cylindrica are edible when cooked thoroughly, it's important to exercise caution. There's limited information available on its safety for human consumption, and it's best to consult reliable resources on edible wild plants before attempting to consume any part of the false nettle. How to propagate Boehmeria cylindrica. There are two primary methods for propagating Boehmeria cylindrica. Seed. Seeds can be sown directly outdoors in early spring after the danger of frost has passed. Alternatively, you can start them indoors a few weeks before the last frost date. Division. Established clumps can be divided in spring or fall. Carefully dig up the plant and use a sharp spade to separate sections with several stems and healthy root systems. Replant the divisions immediately. What to plant with Boehmeria cylindrica. Boehmeria cylindrica's delicate foliage pairs beautifully with a variety of shade-loving plants. Consider companion planting with ferns, hostas, heuchera, or ornamental grasses. Its upright form also adds visual interest to borders and container plantings. Beyond the garden, the potential of Boehmeria cylindrica. The fibers derived from Boehmeria cylindrica, known as rami, have a long history of use in textile production. Renowned for its strength, luster, and drape, rami has been used to create clothing, fabric, and even fishing nets. While large-scale cultivation for fiber production might not be feasible for the average home gardener, it's a fascinating aspect of this plant's potential. By incorporating Boehmeria cylindrica into your garden, you're not just adding a unique and attractive plant, you're also welcoming a piece of botanical history. With its low maintenance requirements and captivating presence, the false nettle offers a rewarding experience for gardeners of all levels. So, why not give this versatile plant a try and witness its charm unfold in your own backyard haven?